Hey guys, and welcome back to the vlog. It is Thursday and I know you've been watching me on my juice cleanse. This is the second drink for the third day of the juice cleanse. Be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Go ahead and hit the notification bell so that you may be notified whenever I upload another video. Remember to leave a comment down below as well. So tomorrow we're supposed to be going to a hockey game. It's gonna be my first hockey game, like my live game or any hockey game at all. If you don't know anything about Canada, they love hockey. No, this is not the Canadian team because it's not I don't remember what the name of the team is, but it's Hitman Hockey. But I'm gonna take you guys with me for that. That should be fun. I'm told that they get very rowdy, very loud, and lots of excitement. So from yes to excitement, you call my name, and I'm looking forward to that. So you guys get to come with me, and that's another reason why I really like vlogging, because yeah, you guys get to experience life with me. You get to experience the things I get to experience, and that's a whole vibe, right? I believe that is so much fun. Tomorrow is going to be a busy day. So vlogging tomorrow should be fun because you get to come with me on my errands. Hey guys, it is Friday and we're going on the road. We have, like I said in the clip before, we have quite a few errands to run. And so I'm just quickly showing you my basic little fit. Oh, by the way, one part is missing, but just this brown top, my jeans, wide-legged jeans, and I'm gonna wear a little loafer jeans shoe. Maybe I could, yeah, this will go better. So I'm wearing this with it. It's brown on brown today. It's windy and it's gonna be a little bit chilly, so yeah. This is the fit. Nothing too serious because again, it's errands we're gonna run. But yeah, and I am the kind who likes to be cozy and comfortable. The only thing I don't like about this jacket is because the pockets are up top. I'd have much preferred if the pockets were candy. If the pockets were down below. I know I can't be the only person who finds gems in your pockets or garbage, but I don't wait. So I don't have a lot of time to really spare today. So lip gloss is all over. But I'm gonna take you guys with me. I'm also gonna go and buy the food for the food vlog that's gonna come up. Comment down below if you can guess which food I'm going to be trying in our next food vlog. It was commented before, so let's see if you guys are reading the comments or paying attention to what's happening. I'm hoping to get my eyebrows done today as well, so I'm gonna call that lady to see if she can book me in, spare me a spot. Hopefully she can, and you're gonna get to see all of that. So let's go, guys. I was about to leave up, but then I was gonna grab a bite. Today is the first day after the juice cleanse, and I'm having protein, chicken and fish, 1 piece each. I miss food, you know, but I did feel a little difference in my clothes. I know it's not my mind. Alright, I know it's not my mind, so alright. It's just good. With some sliced fish, brown stew with chicken. Anyway, guys, I don't want to be late. It's 10:41 now, so I'm gone. All right, so that first event was not successful because why is the wait time 2 hours? I have things to do, so I'm gonna have to leave. Probably have to do this again another day. This literally mash up my whole day because I feel like I'm not going to get anything done that I needed to get done. So I don't even think I'm going to get to go buy the food for the food challenge. Because that place is like 20 minutes away from where I am. And then another 20 minutes to home. So yeah, that may not happen today at all. So yeah, I'm gonna still go back on the car. And then sorry. Okay. And I don't know what button to press.
Yeah, that's okay.
I'm all over.
It's always every elevator. What is it?
Okay.
Usually end up hitting close.
Right, and you know what? I'm like, where's it? I'm doing this. Well, I'm happy you caught it.
Yeah, thanks.
No problem. It's a beautiful day outside. Sun is shining. The weather is sweet. I'm gonna go home. I feel like I look slim already, guys. Tell the truth. I look slimmer too, no? I think I look slimmer. Don't be a hater. Don't be a hater. Don't play a hate. Don't hate on me because I'm beautiful. So, like I said, that was not successful at all. And I'm going to go home. Based on the time, I feel like this is a waste though. I feel like this is a waste because I don't really want to get something done. I don't know. We'll see how it go. We will see how it goes. So I'll catch you guys wherever I catch you guys. I don't know where I'm gonna end up right now. But you know what? I don't want to not do this food video for you guys, you know. And so where I am has food places around me. So I'm just go randomly choose one of the. No, I feel like I'm slim down. What? I feel like I done lost some weight. I feel like, is it my mind? Wanna talk to me? Listen, I really wait me lose by my face on a 3 day, you know. I'm gonna see me April 3rd. Anyway, yeah, let me not waste any more time. So where I am, there are it says my gym. 1, 2, 3, 4 spots. One of them must be something unique. So this is gonna be one of those random moments we're gonna randomly choose. I'm gonna show you the 4 spots, by the way, and then we're gonna decide where we're gonna go. Okay, let's decide. So there is this guy, which is Asian. This just says traditional food, and then there's I'm gonna choose another restaurant. So you guys guess down below which one you think I'm gonna go with for our little video. I'll just say the lunch menu. Thank you. Oh my gosh, I don't know what's happening today. Maybe it's I'm really want to do my eyebrows, but I think it's most of it I'm gonna do my eyebrow more than the other things I'm trying to get done. So yeah, the food not gonna work out. The time just not working out for me. But I want to get my eyebrows done, so I'm gonna call the lady and see if I can get my eyebrows done. And then just do the other things that I have to do because I'm on a time crunch. So some things didn't get done, but I'm now at Walmart because I'm gonna get some more green apples and lemons to continue doing my juicing. Again, I'm not gonna be doing it as intense as I was before. I'm really gonna be doing it as a meal replacement. And honestly, if I'm going to Walmart and I'm gonna do eyebrow, I'm gonna make them do my eyebrow. I'm gonna go up on a limb because I want my brows to be done. So yeah, here's a new adventure. Here's the new adventures. Getting my brows done in Walmart. Alright. So before That was quick. How I like things to happen quickly. So I got my eyebrows waxed. Honestly, though, not the sun. The sun is in the wrong direction. But honestly, I was a little scared and I was like, it's gonna hurt. But it didn't. And so now I can continue with my other errands. And she really did it nice. They're thick, and that's okay. But you get a little massage and thing. It wasn't too bad. I thought it was gonna be worse because you know waxing can be a thing, but it wasn't too bad at all. Mouth dry, man. Can't talk to them mouth dry, so. She did like a massage thing and she rub a little oil on it. She said, don't pay that to the man. She's like, the oil is to help not for it to be red. That was not a bad experience at all. You know, it could have arched a little more, but you know, we keep it moving. It looks better to me than it was before. So let's go grab something. I'm gonna grab something from Mucho Burrito. Just gonna grab a wrap because that's the quickest thing I can grab right now because I need to keep driving. I would have gone to Burger King, but Mucho Burrito it is. Let's go, baby. I'm gonna take a burrito. Yeah, no rice. Medium. Whole wheat, please.
And the beans for you?
Black beans.
Want the salsa? Yeah. Yeah, I want corn. Can I get a little spice? Whatever. Yeah, it's a little. That's a lot. The pickled onions. The pineapple salsa. Yeah.
Guac and lettuce. Guacamole is free today. Can you believe it? I came on the great day.
To go. Can you cut it in half, please?
Alright guys, so I got this is so heavy. I always forget how heavy this thing is. My hands are dry, by the way, because I just washed them in the place where I got my brows done because I knew I was gonna come buy something to eat. I won't get to eat all of this. I'm just gonna get a little bite in because I'm hungry. Wow, like this is what it looks like. Yeah. It's just really good. Okay. Anyway, guys, finish eating this. Oh, not finished. I'm gonna have the rest of this half, then head on off, and so I'll catch you guys in the next clip. I've never had the pork one, you know, but it tastes good. It tastes really nice. Alright guys, we are almost at the Saddle Dome where the game is happening. It's a little cold, windy. We are late. Man, I really hope we get to see some of the game. I'd be so disappointed. Why not walk so slow? if we didn't to see any of the game. Anyway, I will show you guys when we're inside. Tell me why there are so many stairs to go up here. Like, hello? Alright, let's do this. Harry, I've reached the top. Right? Look at all the stairs. Oh, hello.
I wait for you.
Okay, the tickets, baby.
Beautiful view from here, place.
Yeah.
And you can see the downtown as well.
Yeah. If you live one. Tell me when. I love it. Tell me you want to go. Okay. What? Give me everything. So guys, we got some hot dogs, unique kind of hot dog, because why have them stuff the dog down in the bread. Yeah. So yeah, what else can we get? Should have gotten pizza, because this is my cheat from my juices, because it's back to healthy living after tonight's game. I'm gonna see if I can get it. Ooh. Hawaiian.
Right, so he has another car.
Yeah, you eat Hawaiian beef or pepperoni?
Oh, just a minute.
See, I don't even know how much is left on this card, but let's see. All right, so we'll get pizza. Well, soon take it. Hot dog, and now we're gonna finally go and watch the game. So I'll see you guys in the game.
Happy birthday, Chris, Nana, love from your family.
Aww.
Dad and Isla. Good luck at Nationals Cheer Team 3. 11th birthday, Eddie C. Thank you, gang, for making. Led by number 31, Daniel Hauser, your Calgary Hitman.
Here come the highlights of the second period of play, brought to you by Rocket Force.
Can't even stand up. We can't even stand up. I admire people who can't skate, you know. I can't even stand up and I know ice skate them, you know. Here comes the wet. Woo!
Get up and show us your things.
Okay, guys, we are finished with the game. We are going home. Oh, cute. Oh, now you know what to do for your party. Yeah, we're going home. It's a bit windy. This is fashion jacket, not necessarily cold blocking jacket, but we push, we move. We're gonna walk, go to our transport, and we should be good. Yes, guys, so this is probably where I'm gonna end off today's vlog. So thank you so much for coming along with me, and remember to tell your friend them to subscribe to Life with Tiffy. Bye, guys.